Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal inaugurated a free vaccine center at a government school in ITO. The vaccination center is dedicated to vaccinated journalists and their family members. Arvind Kejriwal said that journalists and their family members in both 45 plus and 18 to 44 age categories will be vaccinated at the vaccination center. The Delhi Chief Minister further said that they will receive the first batch of Russian-made Sputnik 5 vaccine by June 20. We will get a batch of Sputnik 5 after June 20. Currently, it is in importing phase. I think its production will begin in August in India. Meanwhile, factories and construction activities are allowed to operate in Delhi from Monday as the daily number of COVID-19 cases are declining. One of the steel factory owners from Wazirpur, Delhi, said that they are trying to vaccinate all their employees. It is a calculated decision to start industry and construction activities first. This lockdown has not impacted the industries unlike last year's blanket lockdown. We are trying to aware laborers of vaccination. Kejriwal had said that unlocking process would be done in a phased manner to avoid another spike in COVID-19. Only factories and construction activities are allowed, but all shops will remain closed till 7 June as per the Delhi government's guidelines. Traders Group have written to Arvind Kejriwal asking him to review the decision on lockdown. The Confederation of All India Traders has said that over 15 lakh traders in Delhi will have to wait till June 7 if the markets are not allowed to operate. Uttar Pradesh is the largest state compared to Delhi and it has more positivity rate as well. Neighbouring state Uttar Pradesh has allowed all business activities during working hours from Monday. But Delhi, which has a positivity rate of 1.5% and reports around 900 cases per day, has declined to keep the markets closed without understanding the miseries faced by traders of Delhi. The CAIT General Secretary also questioned how factories and construction activities will begin without raw materials and construction materials. He also alleged that the Delhi government did not consult traders or consider the requests of various trade associations. Delhi reported 946 new COVID-19 cases and 78 deaths on Sunday. Delhi's COVID-19 positivity rate, which was about 30% in mid-April, is now at 1.25%.